Hi, I just wanted to say that working with this group has been just really great. First of all, to get the information I needed to make the decision. The people were wonderful. They gave me enough time to decide and gave me all the information I needed. Getting the installation worked out fantastic. Uh, Folks got up to the top and I was able to look at the panels before they went up there. And it's the latest technology. It's the newest stuff in comparison with others. I looked at three other places and this was the best, I think. And ever since things that they give you to monitor the operation, the app that's there, all of that works just fantastic. It sounds like it's too good to be true, but it's true. What can I tell you? So thanks, and I hope it all works.